All right, so this is our first example of elimination right here. So what we're going to do first is ask ourselves a couple questions. Number one, are we in standard form for both equations? That's what standard form looks like. It's got the x term first, then the y term, then a number. Well, it looks like I've got x, y, and then the number, x, y, and then the number. So we're looking good. We're in standard form for both equations. Check. Okay, number two, do I have a pair of opposite terms? All right, well, let's take a look. 2x and 2x, that makes a pair, but they are not opposites. Opposites add to 0. 1y and negative 1y, that's a pair, and they are opposites. They do add to 0. So I do have a pair of opposites. Good. Then let's do the next move. We're going to add and eliminate. See, those steps on the other slide are great, but these are kind of the shorthand version. Add and eliminate. So elimination is really an addition problem. It's a tool using addition that eliminates one type of variable. And here's how. Let's add the x terms together right now. 2x plus 2x is 4x. Next, let's add the y terms together. Positive 1y plus negative 1y is 0. Those terms get eliminated because they equal 0. I don't need to write plus 0 below them. I'm just going to cross them out. Finally, let's add the numbers together. 4 plus 0. That's 4. So you're left with 4x equals 4. Time to solve for x. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. X equals 1. Well, that seemed really simple to solve for x. And guess what? It will always be as simple as that because elimination eliminates one type of variable. So how do we go get what y is? The same way you did in substitution. You take this 1 and plug it in for x in either of the two original equations. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to choose the top one today. 2x plus y equals 4. So instead of x, I'm going to put 2 times 1 plus y equals 4. And I'm going to solve this equation for y. By subtracting 2 from both sides, I get y equals 2. So my supposed solution is 1, 2. Of course, I'm going to check to make sure that that is the correct solution by performing a check, which means take x and y and plug them in to the original equations. So 2 times 1 plus 2, does that equal 4? It looks like it. A check is the same for every method. You plug in your x and y numbers for both original equations. And finally, is 2 minus 2 equal to 0? It is, so this solution is correct. That would be it then.